Hey everyone, welcome to Sativo Saturday. Today Riley's going to make us a pumpkin spice and everything nice cocktail.
Happy fall, y'all! In honor of my favorite season, today we're going to be making the Palomakin. First, we're going to start out with a ½ ounce of lemon, and then we're going to do a 3/4 pour of our pumpkin spice infused agave. It's super good. 3/4 pour of pineapple. And then to bring it all together, just 2 full ounces of El Sativo. Give that a really good shake. We're gonna add 1 big ice cube. A little pinch of cayenne on top. Add our beautiful dried pineapple. We're all good to go.
We've got baking spices, pumpkin, but it's also a little tangy with a touch of sweetness and a little bit of heat. Definitely says holiday.